And I will continue my comparison of the understory trees that are common to the area covered by this channel. And I've got in view today an American hornbeam, nicknamed musclewood, and you can see this tree does have the muscular texture to the bark. It's probably a 4-inch diameter tree. And I'm going to continue with the leaves of this tree for identification. This tree is cousins to the eastern hop hornbeam. The bark is not the same. You would have no trouble telling them apart by the bark. The leaves are similar in their makeup, but not in their size. So I have taken a leaf off this musclewood tree and one off an American hornbeam or eastern hop hornbeam tree just down the trail here. So the barks are easy to tell apart. The leaves are much different in size. On the right is the eastern hop hornbeam. You can see the quarter for scale, probably 3 inches long and 2 inches wide. And that was the average size for the eastern hop hornbeam trees. And the one on the left is from the American hornbeam, probably only half the size. 1.5 inches, 2 inches long, maybe an inch, inch and a quarter wide. The leaves do resemble each other as far as the serrations along the edge. They have a tooth that's large, sometimes with a couple small teeth in between. And same with this one here from the American hornbeam. Here's your American hornbeam with different sized teeth, but a lot of times there's a large tooth with 3 or 4 small teeth between them. And the eastern hop hornbeam, maybe just a little different texture, but very similar. So these trees occupy the same habitat. They grow in fairly well-drained soils. This is a hillside habitat here at Fort Ancient State Memorial in Warren County, Ohio. I don't find these in the swamp forests around here, but I do find them in these well-drained soils and soils that don't get extremely dry in this area. So this is what they call a mesic forest, M-E-S-I-C. A mixed mesophytic forest, I think, is the technical name for it. And it's a common understory tree in this habitat.